like maybe an hour's drive, and we're about to do a Moroccan cooking class. So let's see if Sean learned something new.
We add it also because it's like a protector for herbs. Because if we don't add some sugar, they will burn quickly with the heat. Like when we add some lemon juice on like avocados to protect them from the oxygen, we add some sugar for herbs. Okay, and then we start mixing. We don't use spoon or something like this. We're mixing it using this way. Yes, salt. Here. Paprika. Yes. Turmeric. Yes. Sometimes find it mixed like a little bit with some saffron. Olive seed. Okay. Here.
Pepper.
Cumin. Ginger. Cinnamon. And here we have ras al-hanout. Okay, the mixture of 35 kind of spices. Ras al-hanout. Yes. Mixture of 35 kind of spice. Okay, for the first marinade, it's lemon marinade. We need the 4 basic ones: salt, pepper, turmeric, and ginger. And also we can put a little bit, just a little bit of ras al-hanout because it's too strong. For this one, we can use it with chicken tagine. For the second one is the sweet marinade. We add cinnamon. We use it with beef, with like lamb, and also we can use it sometimes with chicken too. For the third one, we replace the cinnamon with paprika, and we called it normal marinade. We use it with like veggies tagine, with Moroccan couscous vegetarian, with some like harira, Moroccan soup. And the fourth one is the normal marinade, and we add cumin. And it's called normal marinade plus cumin. And for this one, we use it to make fish tagine, like sharmoula, using all those spices with coriander and parsley, some garlic, some lemon juice. Then we put our fish on it, and we let it like half an hour or like this. Then we make our tagine. This is all for marinades. So please put on your aprons.
I'm chef nurse.
Sure. Let's cook it.
Skills.
I cut this in half. Cut the ends off, then cut it in half and flip half to lady.
No particular way to halve it? I would halve it that way. I didn't do a very good half.
To who?
Oh, yourself, maybe. I don't know.
Okay.
He needs practice.
Yeah. Oh, she had an extra cooking bowl.
It's too far away from him. He's not going to, get the effect of slicing onion. Surprise.
Oh, mine's still all together. Hold on.
Mine's still all together.
They just
Cute.
take it apart.
One.
And then just right over it?
Two. Yes. There we go. Salt. Half
That's
What is that?
ginger.
Ginger,
Right?
yes, and half of turmeric.
Turmeric.
This one,
That's good.
yes. A quarter of pepper. Quarter of oregano.
Oh yes.
Then, okay, 1 flat of cinnamon.
Ah, sweet one, good.
Then we mix. And we don't add the water from the beginning. We just one okay.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Please peel your onions, then slice it and dice it.
That's a beautifully diced
Yeah,
onion.
good job.
Thank
Oh.
you. I
Top,
need it.
top slicer of the onion.
You know?
Raphael on the other table might have given you some competition.
Oh.
Okay.
Well done, New York.
Well done, New York, yeah.
We're working. We're working.
Quite master chef yet.
A half of ginger.
Like ginger?
A quarter of black pepper. One flat of turmeric. And a quarter. Quarter, yes. Let me see. Yes. That's the hand, yes.
So preserved lemon, olive oil, and garlic.
Yes, use the muscle.
Gotta be good for something. Ours is on first. That means we're winning. It's the same color as tomato. You wouldn't notice.
Oh man, thank you for that visual. We didn't need that,
Well, I'm doing mine really chunky. I'm not doing it very well at all.
Or just an extremely ripe tomato.
Little inches.
I don't think I'm supposed to have done it like this.
It's supposed to be one piece. What are you doing? Look at his tomato.
Look, I'm trying to get the job done.
Oh, your poor tomato. You need one piece because you're using the skin to make the flour.
It worked the first time round, so I'm leaving.
See, that's what it's supposed to look like.
No,
There you go.
I think it's a flower.
Ta-da.
Oh, dainty, petite. Oh,
Come on.
magnificent.
Come on, people.
I'm going to name this the Australian tomato flower.
This is the Damascus rose.
Oh, Damascus.
Come on.
You should go over and see.
Oh no.
Our travelling companion, Raphael, met
Looks good. I'm not buying one.
Here we have semolina, the medium size. Okay, semolina, it's sometimes from corn or barley or wheat. This time it's from wheat. We can also use the big size or also the small size, but it's harder to make. It takes a long time and also it takes. We'll start mixing it using our pan. This way. And so we make sure that every small piece of semolina is covered by olive oil. And you know, couscous for Moroccans is every Friday. and also a pinch of salt. So for couscous to be ready, it needs at least like an hour or an hour and a half. But our chef Tarik, created a new technique that make it like ready just in half an hour by making it like half cooked. So we flood the semolina, then we add hot water, like boiling water. If you ask me about the quantity, I can't answer because we just keep adding the boiling water until the semolina absorbs the water. Okay, now we'll wait for 10 minutes, then we're gonna back to mix it and put it on the steamer.
You have to go to YouTube. You've got your own.
Yeah.
Now we'll stuff the vegetables as we are building firewood flour. Starting with the most one that takes a long time to be cooked. It's carrots. So we
This is great.
just like this. Turnips in between.
How they get it looking for you.
Zucchinis skin up like this.
Unique, thank you.
Wonky.
Unique. It's a much more appropriate word.
Wonky.
Unique is less of fancy.
These potatoes are high up
Yes, same here.
because they steam with that. If you put them at the bottom, they will
Me picking up all that well done stuff.
Okay, now we can cover.
No, we can cover.
Right in the center?
Yes. You know why couscous every Friday? Because in the past, Moroccan women used to do their own bread and bring it to the public oven or like community oven to cook it. But in the Friday, like the man who baked the bread goes to the mosque to do the prayer, because we have a special prayer in Friday called Al-Jumu'ah, Salat Al-Jumu'ah. So when they don't find someone to bake their bread for them, so that's why they thought to create some dish that it's you don't need bread to eat it with, you know. That's why couscous every Friday. Even when we put it to be cooked, we don't put any cover on it. And also meat if you want some meat or some chicken, and some broth. Then when we want to serve it, we put some meat on the middle. If we had some couscous with meat, then a broth on the top. Here we're gonna make some natural stick for those to let just the steam go just to the semolina. Yes, because if the steam goes out from there, like we're gonna take a long time to be cooked.
Is that just flour?
Yes, barley flour.
Barley flour.
You can make it just using like a double boiler.
Okay.
You can just take off the cover and you can use it for couscous.
Tablespoon olive oil.
Half of lemon juice.
What was this? Cumin.
The oil and the garlic. And please mix it.
We've used today was grown here.
Sorry?
The produce, the veggies and everything was
Yes,
grown here.
but we grow some small quantities here. But the biggest quantity it comes to us from the owner. He has another farm.
Ah,
Yes, they grow all the vegetables there because we have just a small quantity. Sometimes we have a group, a large groups.
Sure.
We can't feed them only from the
but
small
this is
quantities. Yes.
a school here as well.
Like what?
A school, you
Yes,
learn. Yeah,
yes.
yeah. See, it paid off. Reconstruction.
How would you rate your cooking skills today?
3 out of 10.
3 out of 10?
Strong 3 out of 10. We had a rough game. Mistakes were made, but we got through it.
This is where they make the bread, and every home has one. And so they just stick the bread up on top, and it's called Berber breads. That's what we've been eating this entire trip. You can see it in some of the clips. It's for a bigger class.
We're walking through the garden and taking a little tour of all the little areas. We've got a whole class here. So yeah, this is where they're growing all their vegetables that we were eating. They also grow them elsewhere, but they grow a lot here. For example, pepper right here, green pepper, tomatoes, turnips, beets, eggplant.
He lived here with his 4 wives and 24 concubines.